Alamiz 881 chainsaw is a powerful machine that easily cuts through wood with precision and speed. With its impressive cutting capacity, it can process a significant volume of wood in a short time. In Finland, the Nisula 335E fast cutter plays an important role in harvesting biomass for power plants and heating facilities. With impressive cutting speeds, it efficiently harvests biomass to meet the region's energy needs. At a height of nearly 75 feet, the Cinnebogen 738 can easily bring down these tall trees with ease. Da 125 Volvo, the Krone 145, is not a saw, but an extremely fast planing machine. Chainsaws are always the top choice for tree cutters because of their versatility. When combining a chainsaw with a specialized tree stand, the sawman will be able to easily cut the tree to his liking. With unlimited capacity and maximum adaptability, Woodzilla can crush 3.5 tons of wood. A chainsaw is a powerful tool that easily cuts wood with precision and speed. With a cutting capacity of approximately 12 inches per second, it represents an outstanding combination of efficiency and precision. Tree harvester boasts impressive cutting capacity, enabling it to swiftly fell and process trees at a rate of about 30 to 35 trees per hour. With its advanced technology, the Nisula 335E minimizes environmental impact, making it ideal for modern forestry operations. The Leverkusen machine is responsible for cutting and pruning trees along Germany's busiest highways. It has a track record of treating approximately 500 trees per week, showcasing its dedication to keeping the roads clear and visually appealing. Can be mounted on excavators from 15 to 20 tons with a minimum capacity of 80 horsepower. The VM50's mulcher can plant trees with an average diameter of 15 inches at breakneck speed. Whether used for forestry or landscaping, this chainsaw stands out for its ability to handle a wide variety of wood types. Its ergonomic design and advanced lines ensure not only productivity, but also smooth and controlled operation. The R22000 machine is currently effectively clearing vegetation in the forest, with an outstanding clearing capacity of around 2,000 square meters per hour, making it an indispensable tool for maintaining and managing forests. With a more compact design than other machines, the Cinebogen 718 is used by many people to prune large and tall trees before storms strike. In addition to its outstanding power and efficient cutting ability, another great advantage of this machine is its ability to ensure warmth for users when logging in cold places. These versatile machines and tools have developed over time, integrating advanced features like ergonomic designs, enhanced fuel efficiency, and improved safety mechanisms. Let us know which chainsaw you think is the quickest. Show your support by liking